Hi Glen Forest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Ladybug costume for the art musical that we are doing with Miss Rosenberg and Miss Hamill. I will be showing you how to make a Ladybug inspired mask, and then I'll be showing you how to make Ladybug wings, because I think those are the keys. The other key is adding polka dots. Okay, so we're going to be using a lot of polka dots. This is where you can be using your orange juice caps, your milk caps, any bottle caps that you have, you can use that in this project. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, friends, so as I mentioned, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a Ladybug inspired mask. Now, the thing about Ladybugs is they have a really wide head and then they have really curly antennas. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to draw at the very bottom of my paper, and I'm going to draw half a circle. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna make it completely one color. It is up to you what colors you wanna make it. Sometimes ladybugs have their eyes are visible, so you can draw two eyes right there. And again, you can color those whatever color you want. So I'm actually gonna leave that right there. That's gonna be where your eyes go. Okay, so I am going to cut out this piece of paper. Okay, let's pretend that I did not like those circles that I drew. I'm just gonna use the back. It's perfectly fine. And on that piece of paper that I still have, I'm actually gonna continue cutting all the way off. And then I have one rectangle, and I'm gonna keep cutting over here, and I'm gonna cut all the way off. If yours did not work this way, that's okay. Just try and make two rectangles that are like this long. And then I'm gonna cut this off, and then put that to the side. And there I have my Ladybug material. So from here, I'm going to actually take these papers and I'm going to curl the paper. Once I curl the paper, it's actually going to make the antennas curly, like the type of curl that we want. So there we have one curl. And then, so I can glue these two over here. So if you have glue, you can glue it down. Glue down this antenna. Now, are both antennas perfect? No. Are they the same size? No. This one didn't curl that well, so I'm just going to try it again. Maybe let's try it with the clip. Maybe the clip adds an extra curliness factor that I can't do without it. Let's go ahead and try it. There we go. Okay, so now I have my antennas, okay? My antennas for my mask, and then I can figure out where I want to draw. I'm actually going to make my eyes down here, so I'm going to draw almost like half a football so that I know where to draw it, where to cut it. I'm gonna cut this out, and I have two. And then after that, I'm gonna add the polka dots, because remember, the key to the Ladybug are the polka dots. So I'm gonna add polka dots all over, all over, all over. Ideally, you would color your Ladybug red and black, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. So that is my Ladybug face mask to make the wings. Just like the other video that I did with the cereal box, we're gonna look at the bottom and we're gonna try and just prop it open from the bottom. Okay, this one's very easy to open from the side. So I'm popping it open. And then I'm gonna fold it like this, and we're gonna try and see, I don't think this one has an easy glue opening. So oh yes it does. So it has an opening right here. I'm just gonna pull this away. Almost there. All right, so now I have this really big surface to work with for my wings. The really cool thing about butterfly wings is that they are almost like that shape. It's half a circle, okay? So for the half circle, we're gonna wanna draw half a circle. So I'm gonna actually draw what I wanna cut right here. I have two sides to do it. So I want it to be like this. Okay, just like that. So I'm actually gonna take that cardboard, and now I'm gonna be cutting it out. All right, so there I have one wing, okay? So I'm actually gonna flip this over, and I'm gonna trace on top so that I get the exact same thing when I cut this one out. So I'm gonna trace over with my pen. Move that, there I have that. So I'm gonna cut it out. So there I have my butterfly wings. And the really cool part about this is that I can attach a little hole here. So if I take this and I just cut like this at an angle, I can try and slip this in with each other. And then that is how I can do my ladybug wings. And remember, polka dots. Okay, and the really cool part is that I'll be able to move it. So let's see what all this looks like on Mr. Renault. All right, friends, so the mask that I made looks like this. Okay, so I could use it like this. Remember, the way that you can attach it is with a string, or if you have a piece of tape, you can tape it to the back. Just make sure that the tape isn't touching your hair, and you'll have this really cool headpiece. Just make sure that you color it, okay? And then the other part are the wings. So remember, the wings look just like this. I can wear it on my front of my shirt, okay? But also, don't forget to attach this together, okay? So if you have glue or if you have a stapler, maybe you can attach it right there so that it can move a little bit. So good luck with your projects. I'm sure they're gonna turn out great. If you have a different idea than I did, go ahead and do it. Please do it. I would love to see your creativeness while you are at home. Thank you very much, and I can't wait to see what this musical looks like.